Hi, Troy with Tsunami Compressed Air Solutions. We take a lot of calls about our pneumatic drain valves. While it's a very energy efficient way to drain your tank or your filters, the question really comes down to how do I install this thing and how do I make it actuate? Pneumatic drains require some form of intermittent pilot signal or air signal to actuate an internal piston, and that actuation is what allows condensation to collect and then be discharged. On a lot of piston compressors, it's going to be pulled off of the unloader. There's centrifugal type unloaders, then there's pressure switch type unloaders. And so seek out advice from your compressor manufacturer specifically. This particular unit set up on a centrifugal unloader, fires up, drain valve piston actuates. When it shuts off, discharge comes out. I'm going to take you out and show you on a rotary screw, just one way to have that happen.
On rotary screw compressors, tying a drain valve into that intermittent signal can be a little daunting. And if a screw compressor is used to its utmost efficiency, it's going to be running more often than it is unloading. So using our drain minder controller to actuate that pneumatic drain is going to be much better off for the entire system, and it will allow you to make sure to keep up on that actuation. But in one application here on this particular air end, we would end up tying into this line right here on their inlet valve. Some will call this an inlet valve, some call it an intake valve. But either way, this is an intermittent signal that we can steal from in order to actuate a drain valve.
If you have questions on where to get that signal, the easiest method is to use the Tsunami electronic drain valve. By far, way easier to install, although not quite as efficient.